Hello friends, this is class 6th, subject is English grammar. Today we are going to do lesson number 12, subject verb agreement from the book PC Ren's Grammar, and this is going to be our lecture number 1. Points to be covered in today's class. First of all, introduction of subject verb agreement will be given, that what is subject verb agreement. Then all the rules of the same chapter will be explained through examples. Then explanation of all the rules. Then homework will be assigned, and at last previous homework discussion will be done. Let's begin. Subject verb agreement. Note the following sentences below. The boy sings. The boys sing. Note that when the subject is third person singular, there we have used s or es with the verb. But when the subject became third person plural, we just used verb first form. So, in subject verb agreement, verb must agree with the subject used in the sentence. The verb agrees with its subject in number and person. Thus, we say, the girl sings, the girls sing. When it is third person singular, that is the girl, we used s or es with the verb, that is sings, and when it is third person plural, that means the girls, there we used sing, that is only verb first form. Here are few rules to be followed. Now we shall begin with the rules one by one. Number first, two or more singular subjects joined by and. Take a verb in the plural. For example, Latif and Abdul are here. Cotton and jute grow in India. He and his friend have arrived. He and I are partners. So wherever we use and to join two singular subjects, there we use plural form of verb. Means there we take a verb in the plural. Number 2. Two or more subjects in the singular joined by either, or, neither, nor take a verb in the singular. For example, either Balu or Govind is there. Because we are talking about either Balu or Govind, means one of these two is there. Either Hari or Kareem has broken the jug, means Hari or Kareem, one of these two persons has broken the jug. So we use singular form of the verb where we use either or neither nor. Next, neither Rama nor his brother is present. Means none of these two is present. Number 3. When a noun in the singular number is joined to a second noun by, with, or as well as, the verb is singular. For example, the chief with all his men was killed. Means when a noun in the singular number is joined to a second noun by, with, or as well as. Doesn't matter if we have the second noun in plural or singular, doesn't matter, but we'll look for the first noun. If it is singular, we will use singular form of the verb. Next, Rama as well as Hari likes hot curry. Next, number 4 rule, some nouns which are plural in form but singular in the meaning take a singular verb. For example, the news is true. Though we do not get only one piece of news when we open a newspaper, when we read a newspaper, but there are many, there is a bundle of news there in the newspaper. Since we use is, still we use is there. Economics is my favorite subject. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Though we use s at the last of these words, yet we use singular form of the verb. Number 5. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is thought of as a whole. A plural verb when the individuals of which it is composed are thought of as the committee was unanimous. The committee were divided in opinion. The committee is a group of many people. Means when the decision is one, we used singular form of the verb, but when their opinion divided, we used plural form of the verb. So when collective noun is taken as singular, we use singular form of the verb. When the collective noun is divided, we use plural form of the verb. If two singular nouns joined by and refer to the same person or thing, the verb is singular. Now, how do we come to know that the two singular nouns joined by and refer to the same person? If the same article is used for both the nouns, it means that is one person. If the two articles are used for two nouns, it means that is plural. For example, my cousin and friend has come. Here we have used only one pronoun, that is my. My cousin and friend. It means my cousin who is also my friend. It means the person is one. My cousin who is also my friend has come. So that is one person. If two singular nouns joined by and express one idea, the verb is singular. For example, the horse and carriage is at the door. Means the horse, which is also a carriage, is at the door. But if it would be written like this, the horse and the carriage, then we had to use are. The horse and the carriage are at the door because that is two. Here that denote that the subject is plural, but here the article is used only once, so it will be singular. Bread and milk is his only food. Bread and milk is used as a phrase here. If two singular subjects are preceded by each or every, the verb is singular. Every boy and girl was ready. Each day and each hour brings its duty. When two subjects joined by either or, neither nor are of different numbers, the verb must be plural and the plural subject must be placed next to the verb. For example, either Piyush or his sisters have done this. When two subjects joined by either or neither nor are pronouns of different persons, the verb agrees with the pronoun nearer to it. Either he or I am mistaken. Now, in place of verb, if I put blank, it means in place of am, if I put blank, so the pronoun which is nearer to the blank is I. With I, we never use is, we never use are, but we use am. That's why am is written here. Next, neither you nor he dash is dash to blame. Now, with dash, their nearer blank is, nearer pronoun is he. That's why we have used is. Now, we shall discuss previous homework. Underline the adverbs of manner in the following sentences and name the verb with which each is used. She writes well. Well is adverb of manner and the verb is writes. He loved her truly. Truly, adverb of manner, loved, verb. He spoke quietly. Quietly, adverb of manner, spoke, verb. You should not do so. So is adverb of manner, do is verb. The soldiers fought bravely. Bravely, adverb of manner. Fourth, verb. The boy was walking fast. Fast is adverb of manner. Walking, verb. They were talking loudly. Loudly, adverb of manner. Talking, verb. He could not speak distinctly. Distinctly, adverb of manner. Speak, verb. Number 2. Underline the adverbs of place in the following sentences. He has come back. Back. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. Everywhere. Let us go out. Out. The servant has gone upstairs. Upstairs. The peon is standing outside. Outside. We sat inside. Inside is adverb of place. Come in and sit down. In and down. Work hard or you will be kept in. Number 3. Underline the adverbs of time in the following sentences and circle or bold the adverbs of frequency. You may go now. Now is adverb of time. The end soon came. Soon, adverb of time. I hurt my knee yesterday. Yesterday, adverb of time. Wasted time never returns. Never, adverb of frequency. He is going to Chennai shortly. Shortly, adverb of time. I shall visit you every year. Every year, adverb of frequency. Lately, he has become lazy. Lately, adverb of time. I often hear the cuckoo sing. Often, adverb of frequency. I shall get a letter tomorrow. Tomorrow, adverb of time. I get up early every day. Every day, adverb of frequency. Formerly, we lived in Kolkata. Formerly is adverb of time. That day he arrived late. Late is adverb of time. Underline the adverbs of degree in the following sentences. He spoke very kindly to them. Very. The day passed very pleasantly. Very. He writes extremely well. Extremely. Please work less noisily. Less. He writes quite beautifully. Quite. We missed you so much. So, he is very kind to his servant. Very. These mangoes are almost ripe. Almost. The cup is nearly full. Nearly. We spent a very pleasant day. Very. He is somewhat lazy. Somewhat. This sum is quite easy. Quite. Number 5th. Underline the following sentences, state their kinds and name the words they modify. Slowly and sadly we laid him down. Slowly and sadly. These are adverb of manner and the word they modify is laid. Things are not better at present. Present is time. The word it modifies is are. The weather is delightfully cool. Delightfully is adverb of degree and the word it modifies is cool. He is old enough to know better. Enough is adverb of degree and the word it modifies is old. How brightly the moon shines. Brightly, adverb of manner and the word it modifies is shines. How did you manage it? How, interrogative adverb and the word it modifies is manage. He went quickly from the house but soon returned there. Quickly, adverb of manner and the word it modifies is went. I shall be there presently. Presently means in some time. This is adverb of time and the word it modifies is be. Now, this is the time to assign you homework. This is exercise 1, A part. You are supposed to do these questions in your book only. Answer these questions in your book. No need to write in your notebook. This is exercise 1, B part. Answer these questions in your book. Exercise 1 C part. Exercise 2 A part. Answer these questions in your book. Need not to write in your notebook. Now, I would like to say thank you to everybody for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you.